Welcome back to Autoscope. The exterior of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is expected to have a futuristic and aerodynamic design, with flowing surfaces and soft curves that will make it extremely aerodynamic. Carbon fiber and lightweight aluminum will be increasingly used to reduce weight and improve fuel efficiency. The prancing horse logo will be clearly displayed at several strategic points. Adaptable LED lighting. The headlights and taillights will employ state-of-the-art adaptable LED technology. Intelligent privacy windows. The massive windows will make use of intelligent privacy technologies. Accessibility and security. A biometric recognition system will be employed at the entrance for in-car. ACE security. Interior. Digital reception desk. A reception desk with an interactive touchscreen may be available for guest registration and general information. Huge information screens. The walls will be covered with enormous LED screens. Smart glass walls might be converted into interactive projection panels that display graphics, racing strategies, and simulations. A lighting arrangement known as adaptive lighting can be altered to create the perfect atmosphere for protracted discussions or presentations. Sound insulation. Soundproofing materials will be used to ensure the maximum degree of privacy and concentration. Electrically movable beds with memory pillows and mattresses that can be heated or cooled for optimal recovery are known as ergonomic beds. The communal lounge area has TVs, comfortable seats, and a small pantry for snacks and beverages. The professional kitchen is equipped with contemporary commercial kitchen appliances such as convection ovens, induction cookers, industrial chillers, and high-end espresso machines. Intelligent BMS building management system. Lighting, humidity, temperature, and security will all be controlled by a centralized BMS system that is accessible via a tablet or smartphone. Immersion Audio-Visual System. A top-notch sound system is installed throughout the RV, along with large screens for presentations and entertainment. 360-degree cameras.